Hello friends and welcome to our channel. Today's video is about bank employees thought he had lost his mind when he came to exchange 70,000 coins. It turned out to be the opposite. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell and smash that like button. We really appreciate your continuous support. We all know that when making repairs and renovations in homes, the materials used are the most important. However, the confusion arises between saving money according to the available financial capabilities and buying the finest materials so that the results are satisfying. This is precisely what happens to the owners of small projects, so they try to be wise and use the available and cheap resources as they make sure to reach the best results. Today's story is about a British young man from Dudley named Rick, who stunned everyone with an incredible idea. Watch the video to the end to know the details of the story. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any new stories. Rick has been working as a barber for many years, and thanks to his skills and creativity, he gained fame and popularity and was able to get permanent clients. This is what urged him to create his own cosmetic salon. He started searching for a suitable place but was shocked by high rental prices, as well as some other details such as the purchase of the required furniture, equipment, and qualified labor to run his institution. Rick was able to find a suitable place in terms of space, location, and budget to start the project. He also got help from one of his friends who works as a carpenter and helped him in a lot of fitting work inside the place. The only thing remained unsettled, however, was the concrete floor that needed repair. Rick wanted a simple waterproof design so that it would not be damaged. However, the specialist told him that it would cost about $1,300 per square meter. Given that the whole space was 20 square meters, he didn't have that much money, but came up with an alternative idea. He decided to cover the floor with 1-penny coins. His friends objected to the idea, but he insisted on it and exchanged £700 for 1-penny coins. This amount was converted into 70,000 coins. Getting all these coins was not an easy task. Also, Rick needed a lot of bags to transport the coins from banks to his store. The work was so tiring. The workers had to squat all day, starting with coating the floor with a metal adhesive layer, then putting the coins down manually. They also had to make sure to put the coins on a similar face and balance the ground so it wouldn't need to be changed after a short time. After that, they filled the gaps between the coins with glue. Finally, they added a layer of glittering materials to make the floor look its best. Rick said, "We wanted a new floor, but the cost of getting it done was expensive, and we wanted to do something a bit more unusual, so we looked at different ideas online," he added. "It took us about a week to lay all the pennies down, and then we had to get someone to grout the gaps. The result was to obtain durable and practical floors at a much lower cost than traditional methods." Well, it does not end here. After the place opened and customers started visiting it, everyone was surprised and amazed by this genius idea. Although there are many beauty salons in this region, Rick's salon has received a lot of fame and visits from clients only to take pictures with the floor made of coins. Rick decided to think outside the box and did not give in to financial constraints that traditional methods placed on him. Thus, everyone was dazzled by the result. The question here is for you, dear followers. How many times have you decided to create a new way to accomplish something and overcome the obstacles that stand between you and your dream? The world is looking for creativity. We are in need of those who bring more to the table and find ways around obstacles. Did you enjoy today's story? Let us know what you think about it in the comments. If you believe this story was amazing, don't hesitate to share it with your buddies, hit the subscribe button, and activate the notification bell so you never miss your daily dose of incredible stories.